Heading. Heading, and in America, so this is Namibia, Benya presidential intervention video. But in reality, in terms of insurance covering cages market, because we say SIC for every Kumasi City Market Limited, there is no to remind them that Omo renew Omo insurance as at November 9, 2021. It is from 10th November 2021. Copim and Netflix in there is no insurance policy based on available documents before the finance committee. Any other share as part of the service charge of the traders. There is no insurance policy. We've not even agreed on figures as to the quantum of insurance premium we are going to pay for the market for a year. We've not even agreed on figures between management and the management to the insurance company.
Akuma FM 87.9.
Jesus Christ. But the one penny for Bosumi so amoja akatua they claim to be managing a journal at the ma a
and I said no work as management is here emergency meeting about their salary increment. No management any NDCI emergency meeting about their increment in their salary. But you see the milking cow a journal. Because how many times na minkan on several occasions or platforms
and
then you go out be a woman. Yeah, there's so much I say you're talking bad. Yeah, kasakete and a guy boys know the woman who come no more. But the reality is dawning on us. Since when? I'm saying take it on record. Take it to traders every month we attract 51,557.43 pesos as insurance component of our service charge. This is the catch of the whole of 2022. No insurance premium was paid for just a single month. If you calculate 51,000, you are going about 618,000 619 million plus. So that's neutral. You are very sure you are insurance policy for just 1 month to cover the market. Since it can away. Insurance is not neutral for the whole of 2022. Since it can away. Me know what I say. The proposal, the insurance company, every better management, then breaking it down on quarterly basis, 6 months, and then the full year. Piece of the again also agree on figures. Because me need before only obi homa on me so no kwa ontimi identify na me shop ni. Na abaka say ebia debris no kwa me sa e dey akaka e dey atie me mata na no me niam shi yo. Ontimi identify as drobe. I don't need to know.
Oh my God.
Now you're this mini now you're bought your ho abrota.
A friend was joining ania aya koma 87.9 FM. Bini de Diana Bakofia Sante Nana Prempe president Emma Federation of Kumasi Traders Association Ujina line so yedi kan ene Mr. Dufo ono na ye in charge of KJTR City Market yene na di nkomo. The situation is very precarious, very dangerous, so devastating and frustrating. Me no work as say ushe jaya debi o just a PSA na to say there ya to bomb ankasa hwe we see no so thick such that it is so serious. Now watch this. Nana minim say police, fire service and all the security agencies but akronfonso take advantage. I don't know how to manage the situation. No matter what leaders.
Okay, confirm that.